Hey campers, Gary here from Camping Guru UK. Just doing a little series of some lightweight kit, and you may have noticed from some of the videos I've done, I'm a bit of a fan of Horizon Outdoor, or more to the point, they're actually called, when you're looking online, HODR Gear. So what we have today is a couple of pieces of Tyvek, and this one, which is a product that's getting more and more popular with backpackers, etc. So you have your dehydrated meal, and you're putting your water in it, you've hydrated it, and then you need to wait 10 minutes for it to fully hydrate. The problem is, if it's in the winter, that food is going to get cold. So a lot of people are buying these sort of insulated pouches. There's a lot of people out there making them, but this one, which weighs between, I think it was about 22, I think they say on their website about 20 grams. I weighed it in a little bit more than that, but only just, maybe my scales, who knows. Velcroed all across the top, and you literally pop your food in there, you seal it up, and by the time it comes out all hydrated and still nice and hot, just slip it in your backpack. Weighs very little. I know all these things that weigh very little all add up, and if you're an absolute gram counter, then fair enough. But yeah, just low 20 grams. You can't go far wrong with that, can you? And again, about a £5. I'm really liking this HODR gear. HODR? I don't know. Horizon Outdoors. I'm really liking some of their kit. Not massive amounts of money compared with the equivalent USA cottage type brands. Still not cheap, but you know what it's like. Ultralight kit costs. And then here we have a little sort of porch ground sheet, vestibule ground sheet, or whatever you want really. Let's just check what this weighs. There we go. And this one weighs about 35 grams, and I shall open it up. You can buy a plain white one from them, which is about £5-6 quid, or this one, which I thought was really quite cool with the contours, this one with the contours all on it, for about a tenner. Now what I'm going to do, and it would be ideal if HODR, Horizon Outdoor, what would be ideal is if they'd done these sort of corners, or I don't know, even these with the elastic on all four corners would have been handy. I'm going to stick some plastic eyelets that just clip together on each corner. I was thinking of cutting it to shape for a particular tent I have, but actually I think it's better just to leave it as it is. It's just nice to have an area outside the porch of your tent, or in the porch of your tent if you haven't got a footprint. And this is obviously quite a bit lighter, I think, than most footprints. It's just nice to have that area to kneel on, to get your shoes on, and that sort of thing. So yeah, a couple of nice bits of Tyvek kit there for not a lot of money. Usual old thing. If you want to like the video, like it. If you want to subscribe. If not, don't worry about it. Definitely check out the next video. We have some lovely bits of kit. I think I might have saved the best till last. Cheers.